There's a lot of people making money with this. This person right here makes $4,600 a month from 100 people. No ads, no big following, just a simple online group they charge to join. That's Skool, and the very money comes in every month on repeat. But there's a catch almost every video skips, and is the exact reason most people who try to make money with this fail. So let me show you. So here's the secret first, then I'll explain the whole thing. Everyone thinks the game is getting members. Well, it's not. The game is keeping them. You see, Skool is a recurring subscription. People pay you monthly to stay in your group. So your income isn't one big sale. It's the same members paying again and again and again. That's the whole secret the earners know. Getting members starts the engine. Keeping them is what actually builds the income. So as we go through this, remember, everything serves retention. Now let me back up and show you how the whole thing works. Quick setup in case you're new. So Skool is a platform where you run a paid community. Think of it as one clean place that hosts three things: a group feed where people talk, a classroom for your courses here, and a calendar for live calls, all in one login. It's no duct tape and 5 tools together. And here's why creators love the money side. Skool charges you a flat $99 a month to host. So that's it. If you click here, you go to create a community. All you got to do is to pay $99 a month, and it's a flat fee. All right. You can take this hobby version, which is going to be $9 a month, but they're going to take 10% of your transaction fee. While on this one, which is $99 a month, you get 2.9 transaction fee here. There's yearly here, so it's going to be cheaper, of course. So if your group makes $5,000 a month, you keep almost all of it, minus a small card fee. Compare that to platforms that take a percentage of everything. On Skool, your cost stays flat whether you have 10 members or 10,000 members. Your revenue scales. Your cost doesn't. There's also a cheaper $9 to start, as I've told you, or $7.5 if you take the yearly version. So this is for you to decide. Now, the part that actually makes you money. First of all, here's where most people go wrong on day one. They start a group about making money. Or worse, they watch a video telling them to buy some done-for-you community with resale rights and start a group about how to start a group. Don't do that. It's a hall of mirrors, and those members churn instantly because there's no real value. Instead, you should build around something you genuinely know or can help people do. It's a skill, or a result, or a transformation. And get specific, it's not going to be like fitness, that's too broad. And you're competing with everyone else. Instead, you should use something like lose 10 kilos as a busy desk worker over 40, all right? So it's not marketing. It's get your first 1,000 email subscribers as a coach. The narrower the promise, the easier people find you, and the more they'll pay because it's clear for them. So why does this matter for retention? Because a specific promise attracts the right people, and the right people stay. A vague group full of random people leaks like a bucket full of hose. A focused group full of the exact right people holds tight. So just pick the thing you can deliver on. That's your foundation. Now the pricing. Keep this simple. Most winning groups charge somewhere between $19 and $97 a month. Start in that range. You don't need a huge price. You need the right people paying steadily. So let me show you the real math. It's really motivating. So 30 members at $49 a month. Well, that's about $1,400 a month. That's the beauty of it. You don't need like 1 million followers. You need 100 people who get real value and stay. Now, set up the offer inside the group as well. It should be like a start here course. 3 to 7 lessons that get a new member their first small win fast and a reason to show up, like a weekly live call. Don't build like 30 courses nobody finishes. Just build one clear path with it. And here's the retention link again. That first win is everything, which brings us to the most important part. This is the part nobody talks about, and it's where the money is won or lost. 60% of the people who quit decide to leave in their first week. All right? The first 48 hours after someone joins are the most important moment in your whole business here. Why is that the case? Well, because people cancel when they don't use the thing. It's almost never like too expensive. It's, I joined and didn't know what to do, so I forgot about it. That's the leak. So you have to plug it. And here's how. It's really, really simple. The second someone joins, send them a personal welcome message. Not automated sounding, real one. Ask what they want to achieve. Point them to that first quick win. For your first 100 members, do this by hand. One message each. It works unreasonably well. And then just keep showing the proof. Once a week, pin one member's success story. When people see someone just like them getting results, they stay because they believe they'll get there too, and catch people before they leave. When someone goes quiet for 2 weeks, they're about to go. A simple, hey, noticed you've been away, everything okay? Well, that message saves more members than any discount. When someone does hit cancel, a quick personal message offering help recovers about a third of them. All right, a third saved with one message. That's the retention game. It's not fancy, it's just care, and it's done consistently. And it's the entire difference between a group that grows and one that dies. Now, if you don't want to run your own group yet, there's a second way to earn, and Skool has an affiliate program. You refer people to the platform and you get 40% of what they pay every month for as long as they say. That's recurring. It's not one time. So if you send them people on $99 plan, that's about $40 a month per person you refer. Refer 20 active creators, and that's $800 a month coming in without running a single community yourself. So what do you want to do with this? Well, you just make simple content showing how Skool works. Exactly like this. Tutorials, reviews, how to start videos. Just put your link below, and people who want to build a community click through, and you earn on everyone who sticks. All right? It is slower, and the big money is still in running your own group, but it is real. It is hands-off way to start earning while you figure out your own niche. Now, Skool is real. It's backed by serious people. Plenty of creators clear 1 to 10,000 a month with small focus groups. That part isn't hype, but here's the honest bit. Skool is a delivery platform. It's not a magic traffic machine. It doesn't bring you members on its own. You still have to drive traffic, usually short videos on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube, pointing to a free version of your group, and then inviting your best people to the paid one. And realistically, a regular person with no audience lands somewhere between $2,000 and $15,000 a month by around month 6 if they post daily and actually run the retention system. So that's the real playbook. Pick a niche you know, charge monthly, and guard your members like gold, because retention is the whole game. Get 100 people to stay. That's it. That's the business. Start your group today. The sooner you start, the sooner it compounds. So if you think this is for you, just go for it. Try it out. Take the hobby plan. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.